We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is Dear Friendship and Clark. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 155 square meters, floor area of 256 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, staff room, living, dining, service kitchen, high ceiling with swimming pool and 2-car port. Priced at 16 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. So let's talk about the location because this is perfect if you want accessibility. The village is very near restaurants, hotels, Clark Airport, and also international schools. Malapit siya sa mga international schools. So it's very nice, clean design with dark and wood and concrete finish. Napakaganda. We have this 2-car carport. Our pedestrian gate. We have this space if you want to make it more green, potentially. We have these slats right here with lights. Very nice. And tingnan nyo naman guys, imagine this house at night. Kasi well-lighted siya, so talagang it grabs attention. Kumbaga, the curb appeal is very, very high. Okay? So, let's enter through this pedestrian gate. So, upon entry, you will have this elevated front porch. Now, to my left, we have this pocket garden. Yan, konting refresh lang, napakaganda. And to my right, we have this spacious 2-car carport that is lined with faux grass. Now, if you need, we have this faucet right here. We have a power outlet over here. And check out, guys, this amazing stucco finish. Let me also mention that this is really high. So if you have big cars, it can fit right here. Now, this way is going to your dipping pool. Later, we'll get to that. Very nice. Now, let's go through the front door. We have this big wooden door na meron siyang side light, ang tawag dito. Electronic lock that can be accessed through your fingerprint, your PIN code, facial recognition, or your RFID card. Let's enter. Welcome. As we enter, guys, we will be greeted by this very nice living area. Meron tayo ditong very comfy couch, accent chair, and center table. We have this divider that divides the living to the dining and the rest of the house. Very nice marble design plus wood design combined. Okay, let me just close this up. And hidden through this wood panels are the breakers. So hidden siya, kaya napakaganda sa mata. Okay, now, as we walk through here, we have this space. Actually, we can also put pa, if you like, a console right here. We have outlets and this circular mirror with your air conditioning installed. Now, the dining area, we have this 6-seater dining table. Below this somewhat ribbon-like light fixture. Napakaganda. Behind that, we have this setup right here that can be a buffet table or just like this, you showcase your collection there. We have this storage spaces also here and also here. What's nice about this is you can minimize the clutter sa house if you have tons of storage spaces. Now, here is your beautifully set up kitchen. So you have this countertop right here, a center island. You have those chairs over there if you want to use it for like a breakfast nook. Storage underneath, another very nice lighting. Behind it is this beautiful setup. We have your microwave, your oven, your gas range, your range hood, more storage, And I also like this marble design backsplash right here. Then your sink is over here, which has the modern type because it has different function. We have this like spray function, this, you can make it like a shower, and also you can move it like that. Napakaganda. Plus a window. Of course, when you're doing your work here, you have a window para naman hindi tayo nabubore. Okay? Two-door refrigerator. It's LG. So, I think this is the ones na ina-access may mobile app. Very, very nice. Okay. Now, we have a dipping pool just outside here. Very nice decking. And makikita nyo yung combination ng terracotta design plus yung green tiles. Very refreshing yan when it's puno ng water. We have lights around and also plants. Napakaganda po nito. Now, when you walk through here, also very convenient because you have this service area over here. Oh, by the way, you have a pool shower dito. Okay, this area right here as your daily kitchen. So you have a sink, a countertop, you have your outlets. Okay? So your washer and dryer will be placed here. Diba, meron tayo ditong faucet, then yung water supply, and may drain. Plus, all your pumps and your tanks are also here. Now, this door is your somewhat service toilet and bath. We have a sink, your toilet, and your shower space. Okay? Very nice. Plus, what I like about this house is sobra talagang special treatment sa ating staff because this is your staff room. Ample amount of space. As you can see, well ventilated. We have this modern jalousie with a screen. If you want to keep it open. Plus, you have your air conditioning installed sa ating staff room. So, napakaganda. Okay? Now, let's take one more look sa ating pool area. Kitchen. Dining. And of course, your living area. Napakaganda. Now, let's head on up to the second floor. But before I forget, we have a powder room underneath the stairs right here. Okay, you have a sink and a toilet there. Plus, we have a space right here for storage. Okay, heading up to the second floor, we have these wooden steps, wooden handrails with glass support. Mid-landing, we have this large window that lets in so much natural light. And also, it can be opened if you want more circulation in your house. Very nice light fixture over there. It's 10 a.m., but it's really, really bright, no? You have this hallway. As you land the second floor, let's check out this first kasi favorite ko tong area na to because pwede ka dito maglagay ng desk or sitting area because this area is right in front your dipping pool. Diba? If I were to buy this house, pwede ako maglagay dito ng prayer corner. Diba? Napakaganda. Okay, let's go through this room first. First bedroom, we have this bed in the middle, side table, tons of windows. Okay? And maganda dito kasi may built-ins na tayo kasama. You have your open shelves. Then your racks and more storage up here. Plus the combination of wooden design, dito smooth, dito fluted, napakaganda. And the cove lighting, presentable and very cozy yung dating nung kwarto natin. Now, we have this barn door for your his and her sink right here. Very nice mirror. We have your toilet over here, plus your enclosed shower with the modern type shower head. We have the spray gun, hand shower, head shower, and outlet nozzle. Iba-iba siya. Then hot and cold. Okay? Plus a window for natural light and a shampoo niche. So you have your toiletries organized. Okay? Now, the second bedroom. Okay? As we enter, ito mas spacious siya than the first bedroom. So we have the bed right here, side tables. You have outlets on both sides. Na meron tayo ditong parang play ng bata. Then this built-in shelves. And also, you have your racks inside and more storage here. Ito iba naman siya because dito naman textured walls siya ang design natin. Plus this room has an access to the balcony. Come here. Okay? We have this glass railing. This is the front of the house. This balcony is shared between the master and this room. Okay? Guys, tingnan nyo yung detail. Oh. Behind the camera, we have this wooden design. Also, pati yung ceiling natin, wooden design. Tapos dito, iba-ibang klase ng tiles ang ginamit. Very nice. I-check na rin natin dito. Ito yung master. So, the balcony goes around until here. Nakita pa yung ating pool area doon sa baba. Okay? Ang daming potential nitong space na to, no? Pwede pa tayong maglagay ng tambayan. We can set up a reading area, diba? So, going back to the second bedroom, check ulit natin yung ating space. Ang ganda rin ng ating ceiling design. Well lighted. And na-miss natin kanina yung own bathroom. Okay. So as we enter, we have our sink right here. Mirror, which is lighted. Very nice. Toilet and enclosed shower over here. Same shower setup na push button. Plus shampoo niche. Okay. Really nice. And if you can notice, guys, the doors are tall because even the second floor of this house is also high ceiling. Kaya talagang malawak. It gives it that illusion talagang napakaluwag niya. Okay, now, this is the master bedroom. Of course, another tall wooden door. You have this walkway right here. As we enter, we have your king-size bed frame over here. We have outlets on either side. We have a study at the corner. Ito, pwedeng study, pwedeng vanity. Diba? Behind the camera, ito, meron tayong parang wooden design. Air conditioning is installed. Tapos dito naman, stone design. Plus, your walk-in is over here. You have built-in cabinets with racks and shelves right here. Napakaganda for your outfits. Nagpe-prepare ka, napakaganda rito. Plus, you have this desk right here. Pwede itong vanity. Naglagay ka lang ng malaking mirror dyan. Then, parang upuan dito. Di ba? Very nice when you're fixing yourself. Now, this is the master bathroom. So ito guys, as compared kanina, separate yung his and her dito, isang malaking long sink siya. We have the faucet right here, his and her. We have a lighted mirror, toilet, and your enclosed shower. This is slightly bigger than the other ones. No? So you have your shampoo niche right here. You have a window right here for natural light and ventilation. Plus, the modern push-button rainfall shower head. Ang ganda. Tapos ito, meron tayong pendant lighting dito na para siyang focused. Di ba? Really nice, no? Now, let's do the recap. This property has a lot area of 155 square meters, floor area of 256 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, staff room, living, dining, service kitchen, high ceiling with swimming pool and 2 carport. Priced at 16 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.